So we're on our way to Myrtle Beach State Park, and this was a quick stopover at Stony Fork, US Stony Fork. It's part of Jefferson National Forest. We actually did a video on that last year, but since we've already been here, we don't want to talk a lot about it. We are going to talk about something else. Something the kids love to do is scooter. I think it's one of the best toys you can bring with you when you're camping. They love them, and if you can't beat them, join them.
Stop. I said after.
All right, we're ready to go. Gotta get in the car. All right.
Daddy, final walk around. Check, 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 check.
Stony Fork Campground.
Oh, there's a deer right
Here at the end of our campsite, guys.
there.
Here we are, site 24.
Hey, Michaela. Hi. Fire!
Hi, I've made fire.
Yes.
With lighter fluid and lighter. But this is the fun way to make a sandwich. So we're on our way down to Myrtle Beach State Park, and we're here at Stony Fork. We just had a fire, made dinner on the fire, and now that we're done with that, it's playtime. So that's my new toy. Here they come.
And it's so scary. But it's thrilling.
Scary going down the hill?
Yeah, but thrilling because I feel like I'm gonna fall.
That's a really nice hill. It's a great place for scootering. A little bit loud on this. Is the surface okay for it? The ground okay?
It's bumpy.
Bumpy. There's mommy. So here's our nice site, but the point is to talk about these lovely scooters. Mine's the Razor A5, and I'm not very good at it, so hopefully I'm not gonna skin my knee and ruin the rest of my trip. Should we go take it out for a spin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, got the GoPro. We're nimble. Ready? Hang on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kickstand. Okay, what do you want to show me about this site? Since scooters can take us places so fast.
One, it has
What?
a staircase. And two, it's back in the woods, and It looks gorgeous. Can't wait.
You're right. This is very pretty. Let's go look at what number this is. Whoa. Electric only. 30 amp. All right. Tell you what. Let's take the scooter. Not very good at this yet. I shouldn't be doing it one-handed. Site number 21. Site number 21. Not very long. Well, no, actually, that is very long. Oh, it's just fun. So these things are definitely worth the money. This one cost me, I think, $80. The kids, this is the A5. Mine's the A5. The kids are like the A2 and A3, so they're smaller. Yours is really small, little cute pink.
And then Evan said
yours used to light up.
Well, yeah. Evan said he feels really big on that.
He does. We probably
scooter.
should upgrade theirs because it's only supposed to go to 150 pounds and they're pushing it. This bad boy goes to 250 pounds. You can get off-road models, but they do have air tires that can pop. These have plastic tires.
I'm gonna go take it first, Dan.
And show them how the brake works.
What?
Push the brake down. That pushes down and that's your brake. Pretty good.
No, I thought that was.
So, scooters. A+ way to get around any campground. Quick and easy. So we would definitely recommend scooters to anybody who has kids, or if you're a grown-up and you just need a quick way to get around and don't have room to pack a bike.
Or you don't
Cool.
have
That's
a
more fun.
golf cart.
So Michaela and I were talking about scooters. What is your opinion of having scooters with you while camping?
Really good idea.
Yeah? For who?
Anybody.
Kids, grown-ups. Oh, and it's good exercise. What's your heart rate? You all worked up? All that scootering. Let's go. Can't hear anything but our flip-flops, birds, and water. You didn't hear that bird just now?
No. Oh, that? Yeah. Where are we going?
No. We're just moving. There's our camper. And the bathhouse. Our camper. Maybe that a deer. So it's a beautiful morning here in Stony Fork. This was a fun, quick little one-night trip, so we didn't do a lot, but we still enjoyed ourselves. So now we are packing up, ready for another day of travel. Next stop, Myrtle Beach. So we will see you next time.